Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to verify your domain in Facebook in Wix. To start this tutorial, open google.com in your internet browser, and then search for the following: how to verify your domain for Facebook in Wix. Once you hit enter, you're now going to wait for the website to finish loading. In here, let's tap on the first website that says support.wix.com. Once you tap on it, we will wait for the website to load once again. Once we are here, the steps will now be shown. Step 1. Confirm you own your site domain on Facebook. And then step 2. Add your Facebook meta tag with Facebook. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.